Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NAJWA BINTI KANA and I'm from ICT602 and today I'm going to show you my Zakat goal estimator Android applications. So this app helps Muslims easily calculate their Zakat on goal. So let's dive in and see how it works. So first, let's look at the input section. This is where the app tell about our goal. So I designed it to be clear and simple. So our first input is the code wheel. So for example, let's say I have 100 grams and next we need the current value of gold per gram. For example, 500 and I choose this is gold usage type. This is important because the nisab or the minimum threshold for zakat can be different. So to help user understand, I add a helpful information icon here. If you tap it, it explains the difference between keep goal and wear goal. This is a good design practice for user guidance. And for this example, let's select keep and we click calculate zakat. So after entering our details and clicking calculate zakat, the app display output section showing our zakat calculation result. So here we can see the total gold value with minus nisab and zakat payable gold value. And the most important is the total zakat to be paid, which is 187.5 ringgit. So this I made this bold and larger so it's easily visible. So now let's talk about customization. You can see the app, it has a clean and modern theme with a light background and clear card for readability. I use material design component for a consistent look, and at the top we have a custom title bar, which is toolbar. It clearly shows Zakat goal calculator, and in the top right corner we have a menu icon and share icon. So if we tap it, we can see the menu option for settings and about. So if we click setting, it will show a toast slide setting clicker. And if we click for about, it will display the about page. So now let's go to the about page. I include this page to give users more information about the app. So in this page, you can find information, important details about the app and its developers. For example, that is my name, student ID and program. So and most importantly, I include the clickable GitHub URL. This link is directly to the project repository. So if I click this button, it will open my GitHub repository in the web browser. So this is where you can find all the code for this project. This demonstrates transparency and allow for future collaborations. So now we go back to the app and I want to show you the share button icons. So if we click this and we can share this app to other people. For example, I click for message. And we can send it to anyone. And it's done. Now we go back to our app and we go back to the home page. And now I will highlight some good design practice I implemented to make this app user friendly and robust. So let's say I keep this empty, and for the current value I choose 580 and I keep where and I click the calculate zakat, so it will show error message like please enter both code weight and current code value. This is the reset button that quickly clears all the input field and calculation result. Second, I will show you if we put 0 and the current value I put 100, and it will display error message like code weight and code value must be a positive numbers. So this concludes the demonstration of my Zakat goal estimator app. I hope this video clearly show how the apps work and its features and the thought puts into its design and user experience. And thank you for watching.